guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video we have a hair tutorial. I'm going to be unpacking the new Amazing Beauty hair ponytail extension. This one I picked the the color P4 27 20 inches. Okay girl, we're having a little hair moment here. Normally I use like a little more natural look, you know, it's 16 inches or 18 inches. This one is 20. Sweetie, we're going extra today. Okay, so I picked this color. I saw it just on the website, so I don't know if it's gonna match my hair because I went a little lighter about 2 months ago, but I think it looks great. I'm gonna show you guys how this look. And here is the ponytail. I think it looks perfect for my color. I have a little like dirty blonde and maybe brown. This one is a little more warm, but we're gonna make it work, sweetie. So yeah, this one is like a wrap ponytail, which is like super easy in my opinion. One of my favorites. Looks maybe when I don't have time, when I don't wanna like put so much effort in my look. So this one is the ponytail. It's super easy. You guys know I'm obsessed with hairs and hairstyles and extensions, wigs. So I'm gonna show you guys how this comes. I like that this brand. It's not the first time that I use Amazing Beauty hair. I've been using it before. I have a couple tutorials down here, and I like this brand because it's like the hair quality is so good. You can actually, because it's 100% human hair, you can curl it, you can style it, whatever you want to do. I personally like straight ponytail. I'm gonna do a straight ponytail maybe today. Maybe next time I will do a couple waves. I don't know. I think I like straight. It's a little more like you know. So I'm gonna show you guys how this little box comes. So it comes with this little bobby pins, which are very important. You're gonna need it. Okay. It comes also with two hair ties, clip, sweetie, clip, and oh, I love this kind of combs. I love these ones because it helps you a lot to, like, you know, divide your hair sections. I don't think I'm gonna use this today, but this is such a great comb. You always need you always need to have one of this at home. So yeah, pretty much I'm just gonna do, for now, going to do my hair in a ponytail. Like, my hair is already growing. I'm kind of happy because of that. So I'm just going to do a ponytail, put a little gel moment around my baby hairs, you know, the rebel, and I'll be right back. Okay, I just did my ponytail. Obviously that's my hair still, but I personally like to do it really high and tight because I also want a little facelift moment. And yeah, pretty much I use this product to you know, correct a little bit of this area, all this situation with my baby hairs. This is the Rich Kid coconut oil is dry styler by IGK. I think you guys have seen this before in my videos. I love that one because it's not that strong. You can actually, after, do your hair down and it's not gonna look like super straight or like hard. It's gonna be easy, you know. I also use these two brushes that I always use for for my front too, and the little one for my baby hairs. Hello baby hairs, how are ya? So well, I'm gonna apply actually a little more of this because girl, my baby hairs, you don't know. So anyways, I was saying that I really like this brand because the quality is really good, you know. The hair is super soft. And yeah, hopefully this matches me. I think it's perfect for my hair, even though my roots are a little more ashy. I'm gonna make it work. I'm gonna be using this every time I do my ponytails. I really like to use these bobby pins, the ones that are a little more like, I don't know how to I don't know how you call this, the open ones. I'm gonna show you guys right now. And I'm going to use these bobby pins, the ones that are a little more open. I personally like more those because I feel like your ponytail is a little more secure and it's easier to do it, to wrap it. Okay, so first, I'm just gonna leave my hair like this. Sometimes I literally do a little mini bone, but since my hair is growing, my bone is gonna be a little bigger, so I just rather to blend it with the ponytail, right? And this is super easy, girl. I'm telling you, when you don't have time or you don't want to wash your hair, or you, I don't know, like, or you just don't want to fix it, you can just do this option. I love it, and I have so many ponytails, and I'm so excited to try this one because I think this one is the one that it matches my hair right now the most. So yeah, basically this comes with a little clip here, and you just do your thing. I'm just gonna put it right there, and literally I'm just going to wrap it around my actual ponytail. If you can see, this is super easy because it already comes with the Velcro. I don't know how to say Velcro, and is it called Velcro in English too? I don't know. So anyways, just wrap it around your hair, right? Couple times. Look at that. Woo! I love it because it matches perfect. Okay, so once you wrap it, you normally, literally, you can use any bobby pin and just like boom. But girl, I like to dance, I like to jump. I'm a little like extra when I go out, especially when I drink. So I rather just to make it more secure with these little bobby pins. So what I do is like put them like around the whole ponytail. And I put about like maybe like 6 or 7. I don't know, but I put a couple, like many of them. Not many, but you know, I don't want mistakes. So I literally just put like so many. Anyways, so yeah. So yeah, you just like want to, you know, make it a little more, this part a little more, you know, natural and smooth. And then just blend it, right? And the little piece, this one, I like to use the other bobby pin. This is the one that are like flat. And just like this one right here, just hide it, right? Like under. Like this. Literally, it took me 10 minutes to get ready. And I love the length though. I'm just gonna pop my little mirror right here just to see. The color is perfect. Again, this is 20 inches and this is the reference P427. Sorry, I forgot. So yeah, basically that's it. Then you can put a little hairspray right here if you have like a little freeze moment. I do right now, but sometimes I don't want to put like so much product in the extensions. I just rather keep it like how it comes. And basically this is the look. Really simple, but you look amazing. Like literally you can pop some lashes, girl, you're ready to go. I really love this ponytail, and it took me literally like 10 minutes to get ready like this. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Oh my god, I kind of feeling myself, I'm not gonna lie. So yeah, now I'm gonna have to go out somewhere with this ponytail. I really love it, and I think the length is perfect. It's perfect. I used to wear them, as I said, I used to wear them a little shorter, but I think this one is perfect. I'm gonna show you guys. So this is the length. And yeah, it perfect. If you see it blends, it blends perfectly with your own ponytail. You can even tell where is mine. I don't even know where it is, but it's there, I know. Inside somewhere. But yeah, I really love this look, and I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Super simple. Girl, get your ponytail, get ready, go out. You don't have to spend 3 hours doing your waves, okay? See you guys on the next tutorial. I know I've been a little you know, been a while. It's been a while, but you know, girl, I've been busy. Life is getting better. Thank God, 2021. I hope you got something better. I hope you got something better because, girl, 2020, it was not fun. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for watching. See you on my next tutorial. Bye!